Welcome back to the Cardano ADA price prediction video after a long time, guys. So in this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, the latest price update of the Cardano ADA. Keep watching this video complete till the end, and if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe now our channel for more news and updates videos about cryptocurrencies market. So let's start, guys. The currently live latest price of the Cardano in the market is 2.89. 289 cent is the currently latest price of the Cardano in the market. And guys, furthermore, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Cardano ADA, so you can see here that the previous time changes occur in the Cardano. You already know about the previous pumps of the Cardano. Absolutely, the price taken a quick jump and very fastly move upward in the market. Absolutely approximate now Cardano are going to hit 3 USD dollar. But you know what? In the previous month, the whole change is in the previous month. Approximately a 1.150 cent changes occur in the previous month, August month, in the Cardano order, guys. But unfortunately, the latest situation of the Cardano in the market is negative, but the previous changes, you can see the last 1 week changes is still positive. Let's see the price chart for more and better understanding, guys. Now, guys, you can see here that is the last 3 days price chart of the Cardano ADA, and if you look the changes occur in the last 3 days, so now negative 5.26% the changes occur in the Cardano is negative. That's mean that from the 1st September the price of Cardano price falls down. So guys, that's not mean that in the beginning of September the price falls down, so you decide to sell. No, that's not a good decision for all of you. Personally, guys, you know what? If you want a profit, so you have to hold, guys, to the last of a month. Anyways, guys, that is the latest price update of the Cardano, and you can see here that is really a surprise news for all of you that in the previous 3 days, the Cardano price is 3.06 USD dollar, highest price. But now the current price is 2.88 cent. Hope you like this update video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.